Siblings Crafts. I hope you're having a great day.
Thanks, Ellie, for doing our intro. So, as you guys can see, today we're going to be making a pasta necklace. It's really fun. And, okay, one sec. Okay, what? Oh, it's because of your ponytail. Okay, it's literally nothing. Whatever. Okay.
That's a mess.
Alright, so we're going to be making this, and we'll show you step by step how to make it. So let's get started.
For this craft, you'll be needing pipe cleaners, paints, paint brushes, and pen pastel.
So the first thing you need to do is paint the pasta. We'll be using 3 colors, orange, yellow, and green. The way you're supposed to paint is quite simple. You just paint one side of the pasta, and then you let it dry. When it's dried, then you flip it over and paint the other side. And when that's dried, you're all set to go to the next step. We'll be making it in a pattern of orange, green, and yellow. You can do any pattern, and you can even have more than one color on each pasta piece. Make it your own.
Now you have to put the pasta on the pipe cleaners.
Thank you, Ellie. So I'm just going to tie both of these together. And wow, Ellie, you got some nice moves there.
My mommy taught me.
Okay, so we're going to be making a pattern of orange, yellow, and green. So you just put it in, and then you take it all the way to the other side. And make it aligned, like don't make 2 of the tips like together. Make it a bottom and the top. And just make a pattern.
When you're finished, you tie the pipe cleaners together, and you're finished.
There we go. So here we are, guys. Look, we made the pasta necklace. Here's some rain. It's for you. Thank you. Oh, the pasta seemed to make it a little bit bigger. There we go. You look really nice in this, don't you? Okay, here.
Bye.
Look at this. Wow. That's really nice. Okay. And Simran, I really like your outfit. Look, it even has a small tail on it. Look, it has a small tail. So cute. I remember when we first got this outfit for you, you said you didn't want to wear it, right? Because you thought your friends would make fun of you. But see, people can only make fun of you if you allow them. And if you're confident about what you wear and who you are, nobody will be able to make fun of you. And see, nobody made fun of you because you were confident. Your hoodie even has some fox ears on it. This is the cutest outfit you ever had. Hey, wait, could we put this on Ellie? Maybe we could put this on Ellie.
That looks so good.
Alright. Well, guys, thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more content, and we'll see you on another Siblings Craft.
Bye.